In this video, I am going to show you how to remove a bank connection in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to Dashboard and click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. This is where you manage all your connected accounts and institutions. Next, select the Linked Accounts section. Here, you'll see a full list of all the banks and financial institutions linked to your Origin account. Take a moment to double-check which institution you want to remove, especially if you have multiple accounts from the same bank. Now, find the institution you want to remove. Click on the three dots next to it to open more options, then select Remove Account. After that, confirm the action to fully disconnect it. Keep in mind that removing an institution will delete all associated accounts and stop any future data syncing from that bank. That's it. The connection will be removed, and your account list will be updated instantly. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.